This is a super clamp that you can use to attach your camera or camera accessories to a variety of things, but this over here is the superest of super clamps. Camera accessories generally aren't super exciting to talk about, especially things like batteries and lens caps, but this clamp right here is probably the most intriguing camera accessory that I've ever seen. So this here is the Heipi Sabertooth C100 super clamp. This clamp is like your other super clamps, but with a ton more uses. You've probably seen or even own a few magic clamps at home, but the C100 is like these clamps on steroids. At the same time though, it can still do the same job that these little guys do, if not better than them. I don't want to say it can replace your tripod, but it can kind of replace your tripod. This super clamp is actually going to be the perfect companion to your tripod. It's going to be great for getting lights or even your camera into unique positions where you normally can't fit a tripod or light stand in. The clamp is made of aluminum alloy and stainless steel. It doesn't weigh much at just 0.6 pounds. In its smallest closed form, it measures at 5.7 inches by 4.2 inches and is less than an inch thick. But the C100 can clamp itself around almost anything. It can wrap around tubes up to 3.93 inches in diameter and can close down to 0.43 inches. One of the arms opens up so that you can clamp this onto smaller poles. When attaching this to round pipes, it has 4 points of contact that allow the pressure to be distributed evenly for a more stable and secure grip. This is perfect for clamping down on railings or tree branches. If you need to attach this to a flat surface or square bar, one of the arms folds in so that you can attach it to a table or a sign. In this configuration, it opens up to 3.14 inches, but can close all the way down to 0.2 inches. Don't have anything to wrap this around, but you still need a way to set your camera down? All you have to do is open the clamp to the widest it'll go, then fold in that one arm and extend the legs of the other arm. And now you have a desktop stand. I love using this clamp because you can use it in almost any scenario. I travel a lot, and one of the things I always hate bringing with me is a tripod. They take up a lot of space, even a small tripod like this one from Peak Design. I mainly hate traveling with tripods though because I'm not using them 90% of the time. I do bring this small tabletop tripod with me everywhere I go, and I actually use this more than my normal tripods. But this clamp is about to replace all of them and relieve my back pain. So there are multiple attachment points on the C100 to connect accessories to. First off, there's a 1/4 inch screw built into the clamp itself. Then there's a 3/8 inch mount and 2 1/4 inch threaded holes. One of those 1/4 inch mounts actually goes through the entire clamp, so it can be used to mount 2 accessories to it. There's also area locating holes by those mounts. The clamp itself has a recommended load capacity of 10 pounds, so it can easily handle my camera setup. Alright, let's not do that again. So I actually got this as a set. This part here is the super clamp itself, but I also got their magic arm and phone clamp to go with it. This magic arm is different from the magic arms that you're probably used to seeing, because this one has 4 ball heads on it. So if you can't get your camera into the right position with this setup, I don't know how to help you. When fully extended, it's 7.48 inches long, so you can mount your clamp and angle the arms to get shots around corners. It has a load capacity of 3.3 pounds, so it can handle my camera setup with a smaller lens. I thought we weren't doing this again. I actually use the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 a lot, and this setup is perfect for when I need to film myself because I can set this up almost anywhere. Then I set the subject tracking on the Pocket 3, and it looks like I have my own cameraman. The phone clamp is exactly what it is, a phone clamp. It has 2 1/4 inch mounting points on it, but the base is an Arca Swiss mount, so you can attach this directly onto a tripod. But yeah, you don't have to get these accessories if all you need is this clamp, but I would suggest at least getting the magic arm because it works really well together with the super clamp. This is definitely an accessory that's going to be useful for pretty much anyone that takes photos or videos. And as a bonus, you can probably use this thing as a weapon too. Alright, that's my sign that I need to be fed.